Hey everybody, it's Matt here from Nutri-Tower. And you see this? That's my tower. I want to show you guys how I got my tower to look like this. You know, I'm not a gardener. It's never really something that I did really well. I tried to do it once outside. I got some success, but I definitely didn't have the discipline to weed it all the time, to go out early in the morning, to make sure that my plants don't burn. Now, I've been working with NutriTower for about a year now, and when COVID hit in last March, I got one for my house. And there's been a lot of trial and error. At this point, honestly, guys, I think I really got it down. And I want to share with you guys how I do it. And it's nothing really crazy, honestly. I really just want to show you guys how I take care of the tower so that you see that it's not that hard to get something that looks like this after a few months, and really it changes the game. Like, your food is so close to you, and even if you don't eat all of the plants, like, it feels so good to have this in your house. Just the light and the plants together, it feels good to the soul, you know? And so join the webinar. I'll show you guys how I take care of the tower, how I maintain it, and then I'll answer all your questions. So I really hope to see you guys soon. All right.